Good morning students. Today I want to explain 2.5 Let's March written by Kailash Satyarthi. He was born 1954. He is an Indian children's rights and education advocate and an activist against child labor. Activist means a person who campaigns to bring about political or social change. Okay, he founded the Bachpan Bachao Andolan in 1980. Okay, 1980 he founded the Bachpan Bachao Andolan and has acted to protect the rights of more than 83,000 children across 144 countries. Okay, he is honored with many awards including Nobel Peace Prize of 2014. He had addressed this speech on the eve of Nobel Prize distribution ceremony. Eve means the day or period. Okay, now part 1. See, my dear children of the world. Okay, see, my dear children of the world, your majesties means royal power. Your majesties means royal power. Your royal highnesses means member of royal families. Excellencies means high officials and distinguished members of the Norwegian Nobel Committee. Distinguished means very successful members of the Norwegian Nobel Committee. Dear brother Tom Arkin, he called dear brother Tom Arkin, brothers and sisters, and my dear daughter Malala. See how he started his speech. Okay, from this podium means actually wooden support in front of the stage while giving speech we use. Okay, that means podium of peace and humanity. Humanity means mankind. I am deeply honored to recite a mantra from the ancient text of wisdom, Vedas. This mantra carries a prayer and aspiration means wish or desire and a resolve that has the potential to liberate humanity from all man-made crises. Okay, actually potential means what? Potential means having or showing the capacity to develop into something in the future. Okay, now listen. See, actually he addresses the American politician Tom Arkin. Okay, my brother. Okay, he addressed the American politician Tom Arkin. Okay, who nominated him for the Nobel Award? Who nominated him Nobel Award? American politician Tom Arkin nominated him. Him means here Kailash Satyarthi. Okay, and who nominated him for the Nobel Award? Who? Tom Arkin. As a brother, he called him as a brother and calls Malala, who shared the award with him, as his daughter. He called Malala as his daughter and Tom Arkin, American politician, as his brother. Okay, who? Kailash Satyarthi. Okay, now see next para. He begins his speech with an ancient Vedic mantra that talks about working together for a better world. After paying his respects to his parents, motherland, India, and to Mother Earth. Okay, see, first he recite a mantra from the ancient text of wisdom, Vedas. Okay, this mantra carries a prayer and aspiration means wish or desire and a resolve that has potential to liberate humanity from all man-made crises. Okay, now see next para here. Next para, see here one question given. Okay, I am deeply honored to recite a mantra. I am deeply honored to recite a mantra. Actually workbook number, page number 102 workbook. Okay, add a question tag. Okay, see I am. So, and sentence gives us positive information. So, negative tag, aren't I or ain't I. Okay, aren't I or ain't I. Okay, now see next para. Let's walk together in the pursuit of global progress. Pursuit means actually action of pursuing someone or something. Okay, pursuit means of global progress means all over world, means whole world. Okay, progress, you want progress. Okay, everywhere progress you want. Okay, global progress. Not a single person should be left out or left behind in any corner of the world. See, is wish. Okay, not a single person should be left out or left behind in any corner of the world. From east to west, from south to north, means all over the world. Everyone should be happy. That only is wish. Okay, see, that's why he said not a single, see, not a single person should be left out or left behind in any corner of the world, from east to west, from south to north. Okay, all over the world should be happy. You want to see them happy. Okay, see how nice, no? Now next para. Let's speak together. Let our minds, actually let's speak together means two or more people discuss together. That means let's speak together. Let our minds come together. Let everyone's minds come together. That means clear. Learning from the experiences of our ancestors. Ancestors means forefathers. Okay, that. Let us together create knowledge for all that benefits all. Let us create, everyone get together and they create knowledge for all that benefits all. Okay, that all benefits means useful for everyone. That only is wish. Whose wish? Kailas Satyatri's wish. Okay, now see, actually he begins his speech with an ancient Vedic mantra that talks about working together for a better world. After paying his respects to his parents, motherland, India, and to Mother Earth, he says that each time he rescues a child from slavery. See, now again see, here again he said, see, I bow to my late parents. Actually, I bow to my late parents means I want to give respect my parents, late parents. They were no more now. Okay, late parents, to my motherland. Is motherland. Okay, earth. India is motherland, India, and to the mother earth. Okay, is that clear? See, after paying his respect to his parents and then motherland, India, and to mother earth. See how nice, no? Okay, now see next, with the warm heart. Okay, showing sympathy, kindness, etc. With the warm heart, I recall how thousands of times I have been liberated. Each time I have freed a child from slavery. In the first smile of freedom on their beautiful faces, I see the God smiling. Okay, I have been liberated. Liberated means delivered. Each time I have freed. Freed means rescued. Okay, freedom, freed, rescued, released. Okay, a child from slavery. Slavery means bondage. In the first smile of freedom on their beautiful faces, after getting freedom, no, how they smile. Okay, first smile of freedom on their beautiful faces, I see the God smiling. See, now I see the God smiling. Actually, this also workbook question. Change in future continuous tense. I see the God smiling. Change the sentence into future continuous tense. Page number 102 workbook question. Actually, how you change it in future continuous tense? I will be seeing the God smiling. I will be seeing the God smiling. Okay. Now see. Till here. Okay. See. He rescues a child from slavery, bondage. Okay. Slavery means bondage. He feels liberated. He compares the smiles of the children to the smiles of the gods. He compared smiles of the children, smiles of the gods. Okay. He gives credit to, see, many more. I give the biggest credit of this honor to my movements. Okay. Which movements? Bachpan Bachao Andolan, that movement. Okay. Kalu Kumar, Dhumdas and Adarsh Kishore from India. From India, he mentioned 3 names. Okay. Kalu Kumar, Dhumdas and Adarsh Kishore from India and Iqbal Masih from Pakistan. Okay. 3 from India and Iqbal Masih from Pakistan. Okay. We will continue on tomorrow.